to politicians, chefs to spiritual gurus, music legends to, ladies and gentlemen, the real estate honchos. It covers them all. And truly, because of their super achievements, it makes them nothing short of legendary. Ashok Damankar, the founder of Magnet Publishing Private Limited, who always glows and aaj, because it's pyar, ishq or mohabbat with our music legends. We also have Jayashree ji here. We like to welcome you, Jayashree ji, as well. Let's give it up for our brilliant chief editor who makes it possible for everyone to shine bright. हालांकि वो सब truth होता है, real होता है, but she's the one who edits it the perfect way possible. Let's give it up for Andrea Costabile. Andrea, we couldn't have had this better evening than our legends here. So I'm telling you, this is like a new year for us. You know, we usually have a grand celebration, but wow, legends at one place. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the music composer who has won hearts across the world for decades together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special moment. The National Award to several prestigious honors and international recognitions. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome our living legend, Anu Malik ji. At the spur of the moment, he creates song on anybody, about anybody. सच में आपके दिल को बिल्कुल जीत लेते हैं इस तरह जैसे कि सब कुछ पहले से ही planned. So thank you very much, Anu Malik sir, and you're also the first one to join us here. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put hands together for the very popular duo, Salim and the one and only, and let's give up for Shantanu. Ladies and gentlemen, before we invite Shantanu, Salim Sulaiman ji ka tahe dil se swagat hai. Let's give up for Salim Merchant and congratulate both of them for the great super hits they've given. And we also have Sulaiman ji here with us. So thank you, sir, for joining us on time. I was told you were going to join us, but we didn't ourselves in our cars. May we please welcome Shantanu Moitra. Shantanu, swagat hai aapka. It's such a beautiful feeling to have Shantanu ji here with us. Well, yeah, we'll shift a little. So Ashok ji, I'm going to request you later to join us in the center, but yeah, for now it's going to be like, as I said, this is the biggest celebration. So, hum sabke liye at Society Achievers, this is a new year for us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome our managing director, Saregama India. Let's please dance together and give it up for Vikram ji. Welcoming Vikram Mehra ji. You know, I'm going to request you later as models, side pose dene ke liye. But after I invite the cover superstars. So we all stand like models, choti jagah mein, for the unveiling. And now, this is the moment. Well, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's a moment of great charm for us. And more than charm, I can see his better half who's excited and thrilled. It's just about dancing to the tunes of this fabulous music and the vocals. Ladies and gentlemen, with his vocals, जहाँ वो न सिर्फ हम सबके दिलों को जीत लेते हैं, उनकी आवाज हम सबके रूह को भी छू जाती है. तो प्लीज एक शानदार अपलॉज से स्वागत है the one and only Shaan. Let's welcome Shaan. It's such a beautiful moment for us. Yes. No, मैं करूँगी sir, don't worry. मैंने already कह दिया, you'll have to do like a little bit of shifting. And now, it's not just Shaan on the cover. Shaan, I mean, at first, okay, so I'm not going to get into that. वो राज हम बाद में फाश करते हैं. It's time for us to welcome his दोनों अनमोल रत्न. I had no idea. They're taller than you. Wow. And we're proud of them. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, already with this fabulous latest album, जो मैं बहुत जल्द फाश करने जा रही हूँ. Let's welcome and give it up for the Sunshine Boy, Mahi. Mahi, congratulations on your latest album. So Mahi, you can go down on your knees, not for proposing someone. I know this is Valentine's month, but just because of this space constraint. Not now, now, later for the photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, the one who chose with a family of singers to go ahead and produce and compose so that it's all in the family. Let's give it up for a little shy but very handsome Soham! Wow, what a fabulous feeling. Friends for the media, I'm going to give you time, 30 seconds to catch hold of you guys. Thank you to Anu Malik ji, Salim Suleiman ji, Shyam Manoji Vikram ji, and now for the grand. My God! Oh my, look at the pose. We've never had such a brilliant pose and cover of Society Achievers, the magazine with class. Presenting our cover superstars. Let's give it up for Shan, Soham and Mahi. At first, I'm going to request all three of you, the superstars, along with Ashok sir and my dignitaries, to please join us in the stage. The center is yours. Thank you for going down on your knees. Maafi chaungi iske liye, punishment karna iske liye. Thank you. Please. Wonderful. Oh, we love this. Can we please once again cheer? I appreciate the applause. That's a fabulous applause. Wow! Smile, everyone! Woo! The musical superstars, once again, excuse me. I'm going to please invite my lovely family. Very much my lovely team. Anil Murarka, sir. You can join us, please, sir. For this program hearing, Anil Murarka ji, please aa jaएं. Maybe please. Now present. Wow! Jayashri ji, please join us. Wow, what a beautiful feeling. And now for the felicitation ceremony, I'm going to request Ashok Ramanagar sir to felicitate our distinguished dignitaries. Put our hands together for Anu Malik sir. Sir, please accept this. Indian tradition, हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति के हिसाब से आपका स्वागत है. Anu sir, it's always so wonderful.
I'd like to congratulate Ashok ji for this beautiful function. We have such great talent. My friends Salim Suleiman here, Shantanu Moitra, who is absolutely such a gifted composer. And then of course Vikram ji from Saregama, who is at the helm of affairs with big back-to-back super hits. And right now, at this point of time, I would like to congratulate Radhika and Shan for bringing up Soham and Mahi with so much love. And these guys deserve the amount of respect they're getting. And it's a huge achievement to be on the cover of a Society magazine, because I don't think I've ever reached there at this point of time. And I don't know, Salim Suleiman, have you ever reached there? But I think it's a huge achievement. And kudos to Shan and Radhika. And these boys, I was just talking to Soham and Mahi was telling me how he sings and how much he's supported by his brother. The amount of love that the brothers share for each other is commendable. You know, this is what I believe families are all about. We are talking about families at this point of time. And Shan's hard work has paid off. He's been one of the most gifted singers, but apart from that, he's one of the nicest human beings I've ever come across.
Wow.
And I personally feel that it's pretty kicked about the fact that I'm here at this function. These two little boys who are really going to make a mark, and I bless them. Thank you.
It is so important that I have Anuji with me, because not just me, even my parents, my father, Anuji go a long way. My mother has sung in chorus for Anuji's music, so it was very. And I know for a fact that since the late 70s till now, the only consistent composer right through every year who's there, that is Anuji, which is a record in itself. And I'm sure in the coming months, if not years, if not months, he will be associated with my boys also in a certain way, because that is unworked for us. I'm very happy, very honored.
And can you please hold his hand? Of course, no, बच्चों का ठीक है, but hold his hand. Look at the hand holding.
Presents
and your few words what you said about us and Shan. Thank you so much.
No, there is. Schedule your loved one at home. Please, please. Darling, one more shawl, darling. We're truly thankful. Yes. So he's gone with sir. Yeah. Give it up and put our hands together for. Woohoo! All S's, the Mohit crowd. Come on. Come on, everyone. Let's please cheer and continue so well. Ladies and gentlemen, we're truly humbled to have with us the Managing Director of Saregama India. Let's give it up for Vikram ji. Such an honor, sir, to have you here with us. Vikram Mehra, sir. So please join us in the center as we like to felicitate you. Thank you, love. Thank you. Jayashri ji to do the honors. Thank you. Our chief editor, Anthony Costa. Oh wow, what a combination. Yeah.
Too scary.
Oh wow. Ladies and gentlemen, and now for the cover. You're the cover superstar, na? Yes.
On behalf of both my boys.
Beautiful shawl with their girlfriends, na, sir. I will share with you. What's sir? And now, Radhika, the entire credit goes to you. Oh, is that?
I just read one caption in the thing very quickly that my family, my kids are my world, my music, that was Shan's quote, and it's so well said because every parent would want their kid, anyone who's into music would want their kids to continue the legacy, and but it's not always possible because the kids want to do something else. It's difficult in this day and age to have this legacy continue. So really, Shan and Radhika, you guys, the credit for Soham and Mahi goes to you both because you have really excelled yourselves as parents. True. It's sometimes because they would want to do something else, they would want to do some other subject, but to be able to, for them to continue doing music is such a big thing, and of course it's all your hard work and it's all your dedication. It's a beautiful moment for your family, for all three of you to be on the cover of Society. Thank you for having them.
Congratulations to both of you. Actually, first to you, Shan and Radhika, for raising such fine kids. They're such gentlemen. I've seen them growing up, seen you perform, and it's such a beautiful feeling to see your kids growing up and coming to the fore. This is something truly wonderful, and I can imagine how proud the parents are right now. So congratulations once again.
I just think it's a privilege. I can understand from Shan's and Radhika's point of view to see their children being celebrated also. And I think especially Radhika is used to the world celebrating Shan, but now the accolades are being kind of distributed equally amongst the kids, and that's a great proud moment. Love to see this achievers. But I personally feel that even if all the three were not on the cover of this magazine, I know they're achievers. Thank you so much.
Okay, listen, I think we people have praised Shan a lot. Shan's time is over. Let's hand over these two kids. Radhika, you're doing a great job. The real superstars are born now. Best of luck, guys.
It's called Society Achievers Award. I think we've come here, to celebrate Shan, but I think we've come here more to bless Soham and Shobh to do well. I think that's what's more important for us. Just keep the blessings on them. They have a long way to go. And I think, everyone has said that you guys have done a great job, but I can tell you, and I pray and I thank God every day, this is what blessing looks like.
Wow, that's so sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, philanthropist Anil Kashi Murarkaji, of course, leading the very prestigious Mirakem in a very beautiful way and giving back to the society. And now, Shan, we are very excited to hear from you. Right from Gaane to Dastan, ये बहुत special है और बिल्कुल सबने सही कहा कि oh my God, आपके dimples के पीछे तो हम सब दीवाने हैं ही, लेकिन आज तो बिल्कुल stare करना नहीं रुक रहा.
जब अशोक जी जिस प्रपोजल के साथ अप्रोच किए तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत सरप्राइज था कि there are so many, when you talk about achievers, when you talk about people who have created some impact in society, इतने सारे नाम आएंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत प्यार से कहा कि नहीं शान, we want you on the cover, and in fact अकेले नहीं, आपके दोनों बच्चों के साथ. मैंने कहा ये इनको बोले नहीं, हम सब खबर रखते हैं, हमें पता है कि very often people do well, but then to get the next generation उनके साथ कुछ करना, काफ़ी लोगों में क्यूरियोसिटी है, जिज्ञासा है कि तुम दोनों तीनों की इक्वेशन क्या है, किस तरह से तुम एक दूसरे के बारे में सोचते हो, they are the new generation and how do you work together. So I found that very exciting. लेकिन तब भी नहीं पता था कि इतना कामझाम होगा. मुझे लगा ठीक है कवर पे आ जाएंगे तीनों, लेकिन फिर जब ये शाम इस तरह से बनी और मेरे ऑफकोर्स इंडस्ट्री के सारे मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, लेकिन उनमें से मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा चहीते जो थे उनको मैं बहुत ही प्यार से मैं पूरी बात भी नहीं कह पाया. I was feeling a little too bad to tell them कि please come inaugurate our cover. So I said just come because you're my friend, and they were pretty clueless, but they are here, and that shows how wonderful all of them, be it Anuji, be it Salim Suleiman, be it Shantanu Moitra, and of course Vikram, who's also Mahi's boss in Saregama. So he has and while I'm at it, just so that and I'll put this on, Som has produced Mahi's new single called Arzu, along with which he's produced a song that under the name Never Sober. The song that has been out now, King के album with Shreya Ghoshal. That song has been created, the music, the production, even Neeti Mohan's new track. So just इस महीने में इसके 6 track आए हैं, all on the charts. So they're very quiet, very shy, and I'm very proud कि it's not कि बस मैं एक announcement कर रहा हूँ कि ये music में आए हैं. They're both now. This is my 6th single. So I've been making music, over 30 odd songs he's produced. So they're well on their way. I'm very happy that they've all done this on their own accord, on their own अपने merit पे कर रहे हैं जो कुछ कर रहे हैं. And so I'm so happy to share space with both my boys. They make me very proud. And of course, all this is not possible, especially for Mahi, without Vikram Mehra's belief, faith, and of course support. For me, Salim Suleiman, we go back such a long way because when we were as young as my boys, तब से हमारी दोस्ती है और मुझे ये भी पता है कि चाहे कुछ भी है, सबसे पहले हमारी दोस्ती है, सबसे आगे, सबसे बेहतर, and which is why I can always count on my boys. I can always count on सुली का कनेक्शन ऐसा है कि मैं भी राधिका जी पहली बार मिला, हम लोग पार्टी कर रहे थे साथ में, तब से हमारे And Shantanu Moitra is one person that I always look up to, not just as a very creative and very original composer, but also a person with such a grace and sensibility that goes beyond just typical music world. हम जब बात करते हैं तो हम ऐसे अलग-अलग topics पर और बहुत ही जिंदगी के बारे में फलसफे और बहुत खूबसूरत बातें होती हैं. And I'm so glad that we continue. And हमारा जो hit ratio is, I think, pretty much 100% so far. जो भी फिल्म के जो भी गाने हम साथ में किए हैं, every song is good.
I think speaking on behalf of both brother and I was so humbled to just be in the.
I don't mind holding this.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anji, I think we're just so humbled to be in the presence of all these legends. Just just having them here for this special moment is another moment in and of itself. And Anji, yeah, we're just so grateful to be on the same magazine as Baba, and just seeing everyone here just warms our heart. I'll sing a line as well. It's obviously a very proud Saregama artist, and Vikram sir is here, and he's always he's
to the engine throughout all of this. You know, today is also another special day because I got to see my first ever tune. Shantanu sir, special project. So that was also quite nice. He's giving us that. And obviously, Sir Suleiman sir have always been so helpful when it comes to advice. Got to see them live also once, and it was so much to learn from them. Obviously from the music. Brother, in fact, is also a new intern.
Are you too excited?
Yeah, and he's intern at Saregama as well. I think about it. Yes, yeah. So we're going to get to learn. Yeah, and see, so Sing Song is a song that helps also can summarize the situation. Brother produced a song, and I got to sing it. It's a song called Jadugari. So I'll sing a little bit of that just to because all of them here is actually magic. It's great.
Well, I think a lot has already been said. Again, I would just like to reiterate, we're so humbled by this. I know it's a society achievers, but I really feel we're achieving. It's not there yet, but we're going to get there with everyone's blessings, and we're so grateful for it. Thank you so much, everyone. I think there's a long path for us to go, and it's moments like these that will always keep us going, in no matter what moment we might be in at that time. And I just want to again just thank everyone for coming. It means so much to the both of us, and to be able to celebrate Dad is always a blessing. It's another blessing for us. So we're always so humble and grateful. Thank you so much.
Honor to have you here with us. It's a very beautiful and special feeling as thank you. Everyone please join us. Thank you so much. All my distinguished dignitaries. Maybe please give it up for Anil Murarka ji. And Anil ji, दो शब्द जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे आपसे. I'd like to say that everyone is all the musical legends are here with us today.
We want everyone to come to Escobar and enjoy the party of life.
Wow, thank you so much.
Pleasure to be here today. भाई के साथ बड़ा पुराना रिश्ता है और आज भी अमल है. मैं ऊपर वाले का एहसानमंद हूँ. भाई इतना जरूर कहूँगा, किस्मत वाले हैं दोनों, इनको माँ बाप की राह पे चल पड़े हैं. Such a wonderful feeling I'm telling you. All the very best you guys. Keep rocking and keep spreading smiles. Thank you so much.
Outdoor Media Company to be listed at the Bombay Stock Exchange of India Limited. Let's give up for Dr. Yogesh Lakhani and Kislesh. It's such an honor to have you here with us. Welcoming Girish Shah and Radhika Shah, the of Narat PR and strategists, our brilliant family of society. And let me tell you, it's very few occasions that we have the presence of Anusha, and it is such an honor to have all three of them here today, Siddhant and Vedant as well. What a trio. Thank you, Anusha. She rarely joins us, but she's here for this very special cover unveiling with the cover Superstar Shan. It's absolutely overwhelming to have our musical legends here, and I can't thank you all enough for this very fabulous. Yeah. So now a special token of love by Anil Murarka ji. It's an honor for all our legends here. So let's start with Suleiman ji. Zoda Talia Jai Devi Sajana. So please join us for a picture. Thank you. India. So we truly want to thank you for your gracious presence. It's a beautiful moment for us, ladies and gentlemen, in our living legend. Please wish. So may we please have Soham and Mahi receive this.
Yes, sir.
Ashok Damankar ji. Ashok sir.
Subrani, go to sing.
Ashok sir, we'd like to hear a few words from you. How does it feel?
It's a really great honor having all the people over here, especially Liz, who was been working on grateful to him for giving us this opportunity to unveil the Society Achievers cover. जब हमारी बात हुई थी शान के साथ, मैंने शान को प्रपोज किया था, शान आई वांट टू डू समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट. शान पूछने लगे क्या करना है, तो मैंने कहा कि लेट्स डू अ कवर स्टोरी. तो हम बात कर रहे थे, he said करते. So I said let's, then he started talking about his son, both the sons. So I said let's do a cover story along with your both the sons, because they are also into the music. So it would be really nice to have father and both the sons on the cover on the Society Achievers. And instantly he said, let's do it. And you can see it here. Now they're here. Both. It's a great honor for me to have Shan and his son on both on the cover of the Society Achievers. The magazine will be unveiled, it's already will be released now. It's already released on the digital platform, and it will be released on the newsstand tomorrow morning too. Okay. As far as the digital is concerned, we have almost 12.5 lakhs subscribers who will be reading the story, and it's a great honor for all of us, behalf of me and my entire team. Again, we are very thankful for putting Shan and his both the sons on the cover and making it a grand success. I'm going to give this mic to my chief editor Andrea Costable to say a few words.
Shan, thank you. We've always loved your music, and I'm looking forward to hearing the boys, take this legacy forward. Thank you so much.
Hello. Yogesh Lokhande, wherever you are, please come.
शान सन्स की एंट्री हो चुकी है सोसाइटी में.
जी नहीं, बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक खुशी का ये एक फीलिंग हो रही है, और मैं बहुत इनफैक्ट बहुत ओवरवेल्म्ड हूँ, ना सिर्फ कि हम तीनों का इस तरह से एक कवर स्टोरी बना, और मतलब आर्टिकल आना एक होता है और कवर पे आना एक होती है, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. पहली बार मुझे इस तरह का एक कवर पे आना हुआ, वो भी मेरे दोनों बच्चों के साथ. और अनवीलिंग के लिए अनु मलिक जी, सलीम सुलेमान, शांतनु मोहित्रा, विक्रम मेहरा, ऐसे मतलब बड़े दिग्गज भी आए, तो इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग जिस तरह से सोसाइटी में आप लोग आए हैं, कितना बड़ा फीलिंग?
बस वही है कि ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ह्यूज प्रिविलेज टू बी विद डैड, और जैसे कि सर ने भी बोला कि है ये सोसाइटी अचीवर्स मैगजीन, पर शुभ माही और मैं वी आर हियर एज अचीविंग और ट्राइंग टू अचीव समथिंग. बस वही इच्छा है कि हम आगे बढ़े और सबके ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ, बस वही है. एंड वी आर जस्ट वेरी ग्रेटफुल.
अशोक जी, व्हाई डिड यू डिसाइड टू हैव देम ऑन द कवर्स?
वो तो बताया है ना,
मैंने तो बताया कि
बोले सिर्फ एक्टर्स को क्यों ये प्रिविलेज मिले.
सबको मिलना चाहिए.
ये जो चेंजेस आया है, क्योंकि अब हमारी सोसाइटी में ना कि एक्टर बल्कि डायरेक्टर, राइटर, सभी को
आशीष शिलार जी भी, सो पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ हैव बीन ऑन इट. यस,
जो भी काम कर रहा है उसके काम अगर अच्छा है तो सोसाइटी में एप्रिसिएट मिल रहा है. ये पहले नहीं होता था उतना, सिर्फ एक्टर, फीमेल एक्टर, मेल एक्टर को ही उतना, लेकिन अब ये बहुत ही चेंज आया हमारी सोसाइटी में. तो ये कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, ये देखिए बहुत जो स्पेशली जैसे जो पब्लिकेशंस बहुत सालों से चल रहे हैं, उनकी भी एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कहें कि सोसाइटी के हर क्षेत्र के हर लोगों को सेलिब्रेट किया जाए. और लेकिन हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स सेल्स और वो नंबर्स भी एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है. जब कोई एक्टर स्टार का चेहरा पेपर पे होता है तो लोगों में वो एक ज़्यादा जिज्ञासा, इंटरेस्ट और वो जोश जागती है. लेकिन आज के तारीख में लोगों को कहानियाँ जाननी है, स्टोरीज़ जाननी है. अगर उसमें कोई कवर पे ऐसा ट्विस्ट है कि बाप है, दोनों सब बेटे हैं, इनकी क्या कहानी है. सो आई थिंक दैट कुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो. इट शुड नॉट ओनली नेसेसरली बी
फ्रॉम एंटरटेनमेंट, वो हर किसी की अपनी कहानी होती है और आज की जो ऑडियंस है वो बहुत रिसेप्टिव है ऐसी अलग कहानियों को जानने के लिए, सुनने के लिए। शायद यही सोचकर अशोक जी ने सोचा होगा कि इन तीनों को डालते हैं कवर पे।
Can we have a song from all of you together? One song.
साथ में चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार भले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सोसाइटी के लिए हम यही चाहेंगे कि हम सब प्यार से एक साथ खुशी से जिए।